Hello guys, today I will focus on, so first before starting class I will check voice. Okay, voice is clear or not. After that I will start. Okay, so
बैठो।
look here, class started. Okay, so I will check voice. Okay, voice is okay or not. Okay, so now, so voice is clear. Now we focus on one by one. Now today I will focus on how can integrate integration of px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, and second one, if px plus q divided by under root of quadratic equation given, and now third type px plus q into under root of quadratic equation given, then how can solve this type of problems? Simply in these three, okay, this type or this type or this type of question available, then always consider px plus q this be equal to denominate differential, first of all written capital A into or lambda r q, okay, capital A into differentiation of this one denominator, okay, differentiation of this quadratic equation, okay, divide with respect to x. If here x, then with respect to x. If here y, here y, here y, here y, then with respect to y, okay, plus capital B. So basically px plus q is written as how much? A into differentiation of this one. So that is how much? 2 into ax plus b, small b, and plus capital B. After that compare, okay, after that determine capital A and capital B in the terms of P, Q and corresponding to A and B also, okay. After that if you got A, so basically here Px plus Q is written as how much? 2 into capital A into X plus A into B plus capital B. Now compare P this be equal to 2a into small a. So what about capital A? Capital A basically how much? P upon 2 into a, okay, and after that one capital A into B plus B this be equal to how much? Q, and that value put here and find out B, and this value put corresponding to this one replace to that one, and after that solve. Okay, so I hope so clear. So how can solve? Simply this one written A into differentiation of this coordinate, okay, this quadratic equation here ax square plus bx plus c plus b, and after that you can solve here also simply this portion, and here simply this portion, differentiate, okay. So differentiate A into differentiation of that D, this is called D, okay, this one is called D, capital D. So differentiate this one after, with respect to x plus b, and after that compare, and we got, so finally px plus q replace to a into something plus b, and that value put here, and after that integrate. Okay, so I will take some problem corresponding to that topic one by one. So first question is, three x plus 1 integration of, how can solve? Here 3x plus 1 divided by how much? 2 into x square minus 3x, sorry, minus 2x plus 3 dx. Okay, how can solve? Simply look here very carefully. I have already said this format is matching px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So numerator part is taken how much? This one 3x plus 1 is written as a into differentiation of denominator. So first I have written here 3x, oh sorry, not 3x, here 2x plus 3 with respect to x plus b. After that, look here, a into, that is 4x minus 2 plus b. So 3x plus 1. After that one written 4a into x minus 2a plus b, and this one written 3x plus 1. So 4a, this will be equal to how much? 3. So a, this will be equal to how much? 3 by 4. After that 1 is written as b minus 2a. Okay, so 1 is written as how much? B minus 2a is how much? 3 by 4. So 1 this will be equal to b minus 3 by 2. So b this will be equal to 1 plus 3 by 2. So how much? That one written 2 plus 3, that is 5. So 5 by 2. So b basically 5 by 2 and a replaced to 3 by 4. So simply this one written how much? A means how much? What about a? 3 by 5, sorry 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into differentiation of this one, basically this one written 4x minus 2 divided by how much? 2x square minus 2x plus 3 into dx, plus b is how much? 5 by 2. b is how much? 5 by 2. So written 5 by 2 into integration of dx divided by, what about that value? 2x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so you can say that how can solve this type of problem? Simply, if this one is t, so that one dt. So simply you can say that one 3 by 4 into log of modulus of 2x square minus 2x plus 3, okay, plus c1. What about that value? How can solve? Simply here 5 by 2. Okay, if 2 is common, then that one written 5 by 4 dx divided by how much? X square minus x plus 3 by 2. Okay, so how can make perfect square? So first of all, I hope so clear. This one remove. Look here, x square minus x plus 3 by 2. How can make perfect square? This one written 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 to the whole square minus 1 by 2 to the whole square plus 3 by 2. After that, this one written x minus 1 by 2 to the whole square, okay, and this one minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So basically minus 1 by 4 plus 6 divided by 4. So you can say that 5 by 4. So that one written root 5 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, so basically this one replaced to that one. So you can say that finally we got how much? Basically integration of dx divided by that part here, x minus half to the whole square plus root 5 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, now this one written root 5 by 2 into tan inverse x minus half of divided by root 5 divided by 2, okay, plus c2. Okay, so that one written 2 upon root 5 into tan inverse how much? 2x minus 1 upon root 5 plus c2. Okay, so basically integration of that one like that one. So integration of this one, integration of dx divided by x square minus x plus 3 by 4 is replaced to that one. So that one put here. So finally we got 3 by 4 into log of modulus of 2x square minus 2x plus 3, okay, plus c1 plus c2. After that these two are a number, c1 plus c2 you can replace to another constant c, okay, plus this one written 2 upon root 5 into tan inverse how much? 2x minus 1 upon root 5, okay, plus new constant c. So basically c1 plus c2 replaced to c. Okay, I am so clear, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, 3 by 4 log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3 plus root and wait something mistake for 5 by 4 also written. So 5 by 4, okay, so you can say that basically if this one written with 2 upon root 5 into 5 by 4, okay, so here 2 and that one root 5. So basically you can write now here how much? Root 5 by 2, root 5 by 2 into tan inverse. Okay, final answer. Okay, 5 by 4 here, so 5 by 4 into 2 by root 5. Okay, if that value put here, then silly mistake, that's why correction is, okay, 2 by root 5, okay, into 5 by 4. After solving we got how much? Root 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, now after that I will focus on next problem. Next problem is integration of x plus 2 into dx divided by how much? Simply look here very carefully, that is under root of 5 minus 12x minus 9x square. Okay, so how can solve? how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here. I have already say if this type of problem available, then always take numerator is written how much, x plus 2 into x plus 2, this will equal to how much, a into differentiation of this quadratic equation. Okay, so you can say that with respect to x here, 5 minus 12x minus 9x square plus b. So x plus 2, this will be equal to a into differentiation of this one 0 minus 12 and here 18x plus b. Okay, so x plus 2 is written as how much, minus 18 into ax, okay, plus b minus 12a. After that, look here very carefully, compare x coefficient of x is 1, so 1 this will be equal to minus 18a, so a is how much, minus 1 by 18, and b minus 12a, this will be equal to 2. So what about b? B this will be equal to 2 plus 12a. A is how much, minus 1 by 18. So 2, now 6 2 ja 12 and 6 3 ja 18. So how much, that is 6 minus 2, 4, so 4 by 3. So b basically how much, 4 by 3, and a replaced to minus 1 by 18. Okay, okay, clear or not? If anyone face any doubt, then you can repeat again. Okay, I will repeat again. Differentiation this one 0, here minus 12, here minus x square differentiation 2x. So 2 into 8, sorry 2 into 9, that is how much, 18. So that's why I written 18x plus new constant b. So written simply b. After that, compare x coefficient here 1 and here x coefficient is how much, minus 18a. So a is how much, 1 by minus 18, and b minus 12a, this will equal to how much, 2. So if a this will equal to put here, if this one going on this side, then plus positive 12a, and a is minus 1 by 18, so put here, then we got how much, 4 by 3. Okay, I hope so clear. So what about a and what about b? Now these two value put here. Okay, so you can say that, look, integration of how much, a is how much, minus 1 by 18, so written minus 1 by 18 into differentiation of that part, basically minus 12 minus 18x into dx divided by how much, that one 5 minus 12x minus 9x square. Okay, plus what about b? B basically how much, 4 by 3, so written here 4 by 3 into integration dx divided by how much, this one written 5 minus 12x minus 9x square. That is equation number 1. Okay, so first of all solve individually for this one and this one. So we have focus on first part in this one. After that one very easy. So we have focus on first one. How can integrate this one? I know that here I2, suppose that this I1 and that is I2. So I2 is how much, 4 by 3 integration of dx divided by under root 5 minus 12x minus 9x square. How can solve? I know that make perfect square. first of all, minus 12x minus 9x square. If minus 9 is common, then how much? Here x square plus 12 by 9 into x plus 5 by 9, minus 5 by 9. After that, how can make perfect square of that one? Okay, how can perfect square of that one? Here this one written minus 9, here x square plus 12 is written as 2 into 6 by 9, and 6 by 9 is also written as 2 by basically 4. This one is 4 by 3. So you can write now here 2 by 3. 4 is written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3, basically 12 by 9 is how much? That is 4 by 3 into x. So 2 by 3 to the whole square adding, and here minus 4 by 9 and here 5 by 9. So you can say that minus 9. What about that value? Simply x plus 2 by 3 to the whole square. Okay, what about that value? Simply 4 minus 9, 4 minus 5, that is minus 9 by 9, that is 1, so minus 1. After that, multiply by minus, then we got how much? 9, 1 minus x plus 2 by 3 to the whole square. If anyone face any doubt at any step, okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, I hope so clear. Now look here very carefully. If that value put here, so you can say that what about I2? I2 is 4 by 3 integration of here 9, under root 9 means how much? 1 by 3 under root 9. So basically this one written dx divided by 3 under root how much? 1 minus x plus 2 by 3 to the whole square. Okay, so you can say that 4 by how much? 3 into 3, that is 9. And what about that value? Basically that is sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 divided by how much? 1 plus constant C1. I hope so clear. So that is I2. That is I2. I2 is how much? 4 by 9 into sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus C1. Okay. Now after that, this is we got I2. Now we have focus on next. What about how can solve this one? Simply here dt divided by t square. Basically t to power half. So t to power minus half dt is simply written as t to power minus half plus 1 divided by half. So we got 2 into root t. Okay. So look here very carefully. After that we focus on this one written minus 1 by 18. What about that value? Here under root t, dt divided by under root t. So under 1 upon under root t, basically t to power minus half dt. So 2 into under root t. So you can say that this one basically 2 into under root of, what about that value? T basically 5 minus 12x minus 9x square plus 4 by 9 into sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 plus this constant C1, and after this one integrate, then we got another constant C2. So C1 plus C2 is how much? C. So finally minus 1 by 9 under root 5 minus 12x minus 9x square plus 4 by 9 into sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 plus c is the right answer. Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. I hope so clear. So minus 1 by 9 under root of 5 minus 12x minus 9x square plus 4 by 9 into sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 plus c. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, simple, very simple. Always follow method one by one. Okay, simply our motto, how can solve this one? So x plus 2 replace to a into differentiation of this one plus b. After that compare, we got a is minus 1 by 18, b is how much? 4 by 3. These two value put here, and after that you got how much? Simply this one basically put here, and we got like that one. Okay, now next target is how can solve this type of problem. Simply, if this one is make perfect square, how can make perfect square? Minus, first of all take x square coefficient 1, positive 1, so that's why minus 9 is take common. If take minus 9 is common, then how much we got? Like that one. After that this one is make perfectly square, this value put here, and after that we got how much? 4 by 9 sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 plus c1, and this one basically here t under root t, and upper part is dt, so dt divided by under root t, so integration of that one 2 root t, so t basically 5 minus 12x minus 9x square, so that value put here, and after that this value also put here, then find answer. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now next target is 3x plus 1 divided by how much? X square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? How can solve this type of problem? Look here very carefully. Integration of 3x plus 1 divided by under root of x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. Simply look, x plus 1 is replaced to differentiation a into differentiation of that part plus new constant b. Okay, so simply you can write now here 3x plus 1, this will equal to a into differentiation of this one 2x plus 4 and new constant b. So 3x plus 1, this will equal to 2a into x plus 4a plus b. So now compare 2a, this will equal to 3, so a this will equal to 3 by 2, 4a plus b, this will equal to 1. Now put 4 into a is 3 by 2 plus b, this will equal to 1. So what about b? B basically that is 2 into 3, that is 6. So 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. So a is 3 by 2 and b is how much? Minus 5. Okay. So you can say that 3x plus 1 is replaced. A is how much? 3 by 2. A is how much? 2x plus 4 into dx divided by how much? X square plus 4x plus 1, and b is minus 5. Dx divided by how much? X square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, how can solve? Simply this one t and that is dt. So we have focus on, basically our focus on that this problem. Okay, so how can solve? Make perfect square. First of all make perfect square of this one. Okay, so you can say that value is basically how much? Basically here t I have already done, under root dt and 1 upon under root t. So basically t to power minus half dt. So 2 into t plus c. So what about that value? 3 by 2 into 2 into under root t. T basically x square plus 4x plus 1. After this, focus on this one. Minus 5 integration of dx divided by how much? Under root x square. So basically how can make perfect square? X square plus 4x. 4x is written as how much? 2 into 2 into x plus 1. Okay, so 2 square adding and minus 2 square subtracting. Then you can say that value is how much? This one plus this one is how much? X plus 2 to the whole square. Okay, and here 4 minus 4 plus 1, that is 3. So root 3 to the whole square. Okay, and new constant c1 corresponding that one. So 2 cancel. Simply we got how much? 3 under root. What about that value? Here x square plus 4x plus 1. Now here 5. What about that value? Log of, simple log of x plus 2 plus under root. What about that value? Here x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, plus new constant c. Integration of this one c1 and integration of this one, we got this one plus c2. So c1 plus c2 is how much? A new constant c. Okay, I hope so clear. I hope so clear. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I would discuss again. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, I am so clear. Very simple. First of all, we'll wait. Anyone face any doubt? No. Okay. So how can do this type of problem? Very simple. First of all, numerator is how much? Simply 3x plus 1. In denominator under root x square plus 4x plus 1 is given. So how can solve this type of problem? Look here. That one written a into differentiation of denominator, okay, denominator basically under root of that one, okay, basically differentiation of quadratic, okay, in denominator. So this one differentiate, we got 2x plus 4 plus a new constant b adding. After that both side compare, then we got a and b. A is how much? 3 by 2. B is how much? Minus 5. These two value replace to here, basically this one replace to that one, so put, we got like that one. Now what about that value? Basically under root t and here dt. So 1 upon under root t, 1 upon under root t dt is how much? 2 into under root t, okay. 1 upon under root t dt, integration of 1 upon under root t dt is how much? 2 times under root t plus constant c. After that, look here very carefully, t basically how much? X square plus 4x plus 1. So written here. After that, how can solve this type of problem? Dx divided by under root x square plus 4x plus 1, make perfect square. Quadratic equation is x square plus 4x plus 1. How can make perfect square? Simply this one x square plus 4x is basically 2 into x. If 2 square adding and 2 square subtracting, then we got x plus 2 to the whole square plus here 1, okay, 1 minus 2 square means 1 minus 4, that is 3, minus 3. Minus 3 is also written as how much? Root 3 to the whole square, okay. After that, very clear. After that, apply formula of corresponding to that one. Dx divided by under root x square minus a square is basically log of x plus under root x square minus a square, okay. So that value put here, x replaced to x plus 2 and a replaced root 3, then we got like that one, and here c1, and after that we got in new constant c2 also. So c1 plus c2 is how much? New constant, this c1 c2 replaced to a new constant c. So final answer one, okay. I hope so clear. Now next problem. After that I will focus on next problem, whatever with number. Here 2x minus 5 into under root of 2 plus 3x minus x square dx. How can solve? Look here very carefully. 2x minus 5 differentiation of this one, okay, 0 plus 3 minus 2x plus b. So 2x here 3 into a minus 3 minus 2 a into x plus b. So basically minus 2a into x plus 3a plus b, okay. Now if you compare minus 2a, this will be equal to 2, so a is how much? Minus 1. 3a plus b, this will be equal to minus 5. So what about b? B this will be equal to, if put a this will be equal to minus 1, so b this will be equal to minus 3. Going on this side, then we got minus 5 plus 3, that is how much? Minus 2. So a is minus 1, b is minus 2, okay. After that, these two value put here, then we got how much? Minus 1 into under root of 2 plus 3x minus x square dx, okay, plus b is minus 2, okay, b is how much? Minus 2. So you can write now here minus 2 into under root of 2 plus 3x minus x square dx, okay. Here minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, okay, so plus, okay, right. Now how can solve? This one is t, so this is dt, okay. But how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here, 2 plus 3x minus x square. How can make perfect square? First of all take minus common, then x square minus 3x minus 2. So how can make perfect square? If multiply by 2, then divide by also 2 into x plus 3 by 2 to the whole square, adding, and 3 by 2 to the whole square subtracting, okay, and here minus 2. So what about that value? This one simply written x minus 3 by 2 to the whole square, and here 3 by 2 to the whole square basically 9 by 4, 9 by 4, and here minus 9, here 4 into 2, that is 8, to 17. So you can say that root 17 divided by how much? 2 to the whole square. So you can say that root 17 by 2 to the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 to the whole square, okay. What about that value? Simply written, basically integration of t to power half is how much? You can say that t to power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So you can say c1. So 2 by 3 into t to power 3 by 2 plus c1. Okay. So basically this one under root t and this one dt. So basically t to power half dt. Okay, this one basically. So what about that value finally? 2 by 3. So you can say that minus 2 by 3 into t to power, t means 2 plus 3x minus x square to whole power, how much? 3 by 2, okay, minus 2, okay, into integration of that one. This is basically under root of 17 by 2 to the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 to the whole square into dx, okay, and here a new constant c1. So finally you can say that minus 2 by 3, here 2 plus 3x minus x square to whole power 3 by 2, and here 2. What about that value? Simply 1 by 2 x means x minus 3 by 2, okay, into under root of that value, root 17 by 2 to the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 to the whole square plus a square. A square is how much? 17 divided by how much? 4, okay, 17 divided by 4 into sine inverse x minus 3 by 2 divided by root 17 divided by 2, okay, plus constant c2. So c2 plus c1 is how much? Another constant c. I hope so clear. Make it, okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. So minus minus plus, sorry, minus, so here minus, oh, no, here plus, and this one written here. Okay, after multiply minus, then this one is minus. Okay, I hope so clear. How can solve? Look here very carefully. Our motto, this one is given 2x minus 5 into under root of whatever with quadratic equation into dx. So simply this one written a into differentiation of this quadratic equation plus b. After that compare, and we got a and b. We got a and b. If what about a is minus 1 and b is how much? Minus 2. Okay. These two value put here corresponding to a and b put here, and this one replaced to that one plus that one. So we got how much? This one plus this one. After that this one basically t and this one is dt. So simply t to power half dt is integration. We got how much? 2 by 3 into t to power 3 by 2 plus c. So integration of that one is very simple, written like that one. After that, how can solve this one? Make perfect square. How can make perfect square? Here minus x square is given, means first of all x square coefficient take positive. How can make positive? If constant here minus 1 is minus x square is given, so take minus 1 is common. If minus 1 is common, then look like that one. After that make perfect square. So if finally we got multiply by minus, then we got like that one, and that value put here. So using after that using formula of under root a square minus x square, dx is how much? 1 by 2 into x under root x square plus x square minus a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse x upon a. Here x is basically x by x minus 3 by 2, and what about a? A is root 17 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, so put that value, and 2 by 2 is how much? Cancel, and find the answer. Find this one is basically answer. Okay, make it. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay.